Hey guys, back with another video on this go-kart. So I was actually just out riding, and I was going about 30 miles an hour down the road, and my brakes broke. Kind of coincidence, huh? So I was wondering what happened. Didn't realize that it was broken. Just thought that maybe it was just loose, so I had to tighten it back up. But I came over here, I looked back here, and I noticed my brake cable's broken. It broke off the brake pad, which means I don't got no brakes right now. So I'm gonna have to go to Ace, see if I can buy a new brake cable, and hopefully make it to where I have brakes again. So we'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, I'm back. Just got back from Ace. Went and bought this little brake cable for bikes. Thought, why go buy something expensive when I can just buy something cheap at Ace? So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I'll set you guys up. Hey, so I just barely finished putting this together, and I thought I was doing a time lapse, but something happened, and I pressed play on the time lapse, and I got the whole thing going, and I finished putting the whole brake line together, and I pressed stop on the time lapse, and by the time, I don't know what happened, but I went to go edit it, and it said it had been deleted, and I didn't have the footage anymore, so I guess I'll just go ahead and show you what I've done. So right there, just took the cable. I have this rod. I went ahead and bolted this rod to the pedal, and then I tied the cable to the rod, the little bike cable I got from Ace. It comes back here over to the brake drum, right here. I tied this little knot here. So there used to be a little piece right here that would hold the wire in, and you tighten it down, you'd screw it down, and it would tighten the cable, but I must have lost that when I broke the cable, the other cable. So I had to jerry-rig this little knot in here, which was really a pain in the butt. So I got that going. I'm going to come over here and wire this to the frame. That way it's not so floppy around. Then hopefully it'll work. So that's it. So I just got the go-kart out here. I'm gonna take it for a test drive and see how it does after I finish the brakes. Well, I just barely finished the brakes, so I'm gonna go take it for a drive, see how it works, and I'll get you guys set up. See you guys next time.